To all my amazing viewers out there, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the newest content that I upload. Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave your spoiler in the up position or down position in the Lexus RCF. So all you have to do is, there's a button right over here, this button right here. If you tap on it one time, it's going to bring the spoiler up. And if you want to bring it down, you have to hold it down for about 3 seconds. And once you have it in the position that you want it in, like mine is in the up position right now, you can choose to disable the active wing control. So basically you're going to just go to where the settings tab is at. So I'm going to slide it over to where it says settings right here. And then you're going to press this to press enter so you can get access to this menu. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you should see it right over here where it says rear wing right there. So you're going to press enter and now it will say do you want to turn on or off the rear wing activation. So whenever you turn it off, whatever position you left the wing in or the spoiler, it's going to stay there. And after you're all done, you're just gonna back out of it. And that's it. Hope this video helped out. If you have any questions, just be sure to comment below. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you all for watching.